Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to mask block on Bluesky. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to the Bluesky application. After opening the application, you will see this interface where you'll have to simply click on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then you will see these tools where you'll have to click on settings. After you click on settings, you will see this page where you'll have to simply click on the moderation option, that is the third option from the top. After you click on moderation, it will open up this tab where you can see your moderation tools, content filters, and various kind of things that you can moderate using these tools. So in order to mask block on Bluesky, we are going to click on moderation lists. After you click on moderation lists, here you can see the public shareable list of users to mute or block in bulk. Now, simply click on the plus new icon at the top. Then in the list name, type in the kind of people you want to block on Bluesky. So for example, I will type in NFT is scammers. Now I will have to give a description for this. This list is for NFT scammers. You can type in anything in the description. It is not really that important. You'll have to then click on save. You can also click on the list avatar and you can upload a picture from camera or upload it from the library. After uploading the picture, click on save. Now this is the list that we just created for NFT scammers. Now we'll have to add users to this list. Click on the small add icon that you will see after users on this page. Then search for the users that you want to block. For example, I will block people related to NFT scams. So I will type in NFTs. I will have to simply click on the add option just after these accounts that will have NFT in the username. I can also search for another keyword like crypto. You can also search for the name of your friends if you want to mask block them on Bluesky. And after clicking on add after all the users names, you'll have to click on done. Now, this will make a list for those people that you want to block. As you can see, this will be the list. Now, I'll have to simply click on subscribe button at the top and I get the option to mute these accounts. So muting is private. Muted accounts can interact with you, but you will not see their posts or receive notifications from them. Click on mute list and all the people in this list will be muted. Now if you want to mask block, simply click on unmute icon, click on subscribe and click on block accounts. Now blocking is public. Blocked accounts cannot reply in your threads, mention you or otherwise interact with you. Click on block list and every user in this list will be instantly blocked. You can also add another users by clicking on add and search for your friend's name or some person you want to know whom you want to block. Click on add and click on done. After that, you would have successfully mask blocked on Bluesky. So that is a simple way to mask block on Bluesky, that is creating moderation block lists on Bluesky. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.